This is The Doorbell Ring by Hutchins. After I finish reading the book, I'm going to have a separate video with an activity for you to do. I've made some cookies. For tea, said Mom. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Mom. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom, and look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom. And the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's. And Peter said, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, Ma said. And, you guessed it, the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can come and share some cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. And they look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma. And the doorbell rang. And it wasn't a cat. And it rang. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children started to put the cookies on their plate. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous pile of cookies. So nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing you made a lot. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as you guessed it, the doorbell rang.